Our Dutt, Radical Product Thinking, the new mindset for innovating smarter. Welcome to the world of Radical Product Thinking, the new mindset for innovating smarter by our Dutt. In this book's summary, you will discover the power of the vision-driven approach to product development as opposed to the iteration-led approach, which has been the go-to strategy for many product developers. Learn how having a clear vision can guide your company to create revolutionary products and make a tangible impact on your customers and the world at large. Delve into the RPT, Radical Product Thinking, method with its RDCL strategy, which addresses real pain points, design, capabilities, and logistics. Get ready to enhance your understanding of how to create a vision-driven company culture where meaningful work is emphasized.
The flaws of an iteration-led approach to product development. In recent years, many product developers have relied on an iteration-led approach to create the next big thing. This strategy involves making improvements on existing products until a winning iteration is found. However, this approach rarely leads to revolutionary products, as exemplified by the lackluster Chevy Bolt. GM borrowed an old chassis to make an electrified evolution of an old car, rather than an electrifying revolution in the automobile industry like Tesla's Model 3. Twitter is often touted as a success story of this approach, but it is an exception rather than the norm. An iteration-led approach does not start with a clear vision of what the final product should be. Instead, it focuses on capturing market share and achieving immediate objectives. Therefore, it is essential to establish a clear vision and direction for a product before beginning development. Vision-driven product development. Tesla's approach to product development is vision-driven, which enables them to deliver a high-performing and affordable electric vehicle. By putting their vision at the forefront of their decisions, they were able to create a game-changing product. In contrast, an iteration-led approach can lead to a short-term and visionless mindset, resulting in corner-cutting. To avoid this, companies should adopt a vision-driven approach to product development that maximizes each component's efficiency to achieve their goals. Creating a vision-driven product development. The book emphasizes the significance of having a clear and compelling vision while developing a product. Without a problem-centered, concrete, and meaningful vision, companies might end up hitting dead ends such as corner-cutting and aimless pivoting. The book suggests that a company's vision must answer crucial questions, including who they aim to help, what the solution they offer, and why it is meaningful. The book highlights Lijat, an Indian food producer's vision to help solve socio-economic problems for impoverished women, as an example of a concrete and meaningful vision. The key message of the approach is to create a vision that centers on addressing a problem for the world. The RPT approach to strategy. Learn how to create a vision-driven strategy using the RDCL approach from the RPT method to product development. Identify real pain points, design, capabilities, and logistics to put your vision into practice. In the book, the RPT approach to product development is presented as a useful tool to develop a winning, vision-driven strategy. The author explains that once you have a clear and compelling vision, you need to create a strategy using the next step of the RPT approach. The RPT approach suggests using the RDCL approach to identify the main components of a winning strategy: real pain points, design, capabilities, and logistics. The key message of the book is that to succeed, you need to learn people's real pain points, so you can design a product with the capabilities and logistics it needs to thrive. The author provides an example of Lijat, a company that succeeded in part by knowing the real pain points of impoverished women in India. Lijat designed its operational model with these pain points in mind, allowing women to work from home and influencing their family's daily household spending. To create a strategy that addresses the real pain points of the people you want to serve, the author suggests identifying the design, capabilities, and logistics your product needs. Design can mean tangible or intangible resources, like viewership data for Netflix or people's trust for Airbnb. Finally, don't forget the nitty-gritty details of your business model, such as how you will sell, deliver, and provide service for your product. By using the RDCL approach from the RPT method to product development, you can design a strategy that puts your vision into practice and succeeds in addressing the real pain points of your target audience. Prioritizing your vision. Once you have your strategy, the next step is prioritizing your vision in decision-making. As a decision maker, you must balance making progress towards your vision with ensuring business survival. Every choice you make falls into one of 4 quadrants: ideal, danger, investing in the vision, or building vision debt. Embrace choices in the ideal quadrant, avoid the danger quadrant, and be clear about entering the investing in the vision or building vision debt quadrants. While it's sometimes necessary to accumulate vision debt or mitigate risk, you should prioritize investing in your vision as much as possible. Measuring the right metrics. Developing a product involves more than just testing and iterating based on usage metrics. The story of Knack serves as a cautionary tale of measuring the wrong things and the importance of choosing the correct metrics. Knack's founder, Paul Howne, noticed his app's usage metrics were increasing but later learned most people were using Knack to score free coffee rather than continuing the Italian tradition of suspended coffee. Howne realized that measuring the number of daily users or time spent using the app did not correspond with their vision. The key metric was how many people were gifting coffee to others. Knack's team iterated the app to address this problem, resulting in an increase in users buying coffee for others. The moral of the story is to develop a product with the right vision, strategy, and decision-making priorities while choosing the right metrics to define their progress towards achieving their vision. Creating a vision-driven company culture. To create a vision-driven company culture, focus on meaningful work, heroism, minimize tedious work, and eliminate soul-sucking experiences. Company culture refers to everyone's experiences of working at the company and can fall into 4 quadrants based on urgency and satisfaction. Emphasizing meaningful and vision-driven work contributes to the larger purpose and company's long-term vision, while heroism, urgent but satisfying work, should be kept within limits to avoid burnout. Tedious work should be minimized and soul-sucking work, which is neither satisfying nor necessary, should be eliminated. Treat the company culture as a product and use the RTP approach to create a clear and compelling vision, design an RDCL strategy, and collect meaningful measures of results using vision-driven metrics and priorities.
In conclusion, radical product thinking serves as an eye-opener for anyone seeking to create innovative and groundbreaking products. By embracing a vision-driven approach, companies can set a clear direction for their product development journey and ensure long-lasting impact. The RPT method highlights the importance of focusing on real pain points, innovative design, leveraging capabilities, and efficient logistics. A vision-driven company culture fosters meaningful work, empowering employees to contribute towards the organization's overall vision. This book summary offers valuable insights and practical tools that can help transform your product development and company culture, leading to game-changing results and performance.